Imagine waking up tomorrow and discovering that humans weren't always the only humans on Earth. Not figuratively, literally. For most of history, Homo sapiens shared the planet with several other human species. They walked the same forests, hunted the same animals, made tools, buried their dead, and in some cases, even made art. So, here's the question. If there were once many kinds of humans, what happened to all of them? Around 300,000 years ago, our species, Homo sapiens, appeared in Africa. But we weren't alone. Europe was home to the Neanderthals, a group of humans who were stronger than us and had even larger brains on average. In Asia lived the mysterious Denisovans, a species we know mostly from a few bones and the DNA they left behind. Indonesia had Homo floresiensis, nicknamed the Hobbit, because adults stood only about 3.5 feet tall. There was also Homo erectus, one of the longest living human species ever, surviving for nearly 2 million years. At one point, Earth looked less like one human family and more like a neighborhood of different human species. And somehow, only one survived. The first explanation is competition. Homo sapiens may not have been the strongest, but we were incredibly adaptable. We developed better hunting techniques, more advanced tools, larger social groups, and eventually spread into almost every environment on Earth. Wherever we went, we competed with other human species for food, territory, and resources. Over thousands of years, that pressure may have pushed them toward extinction. But competition isn't the whole story. The climate was changing dramatically. Ice ages came and went, forests disappeared, grasslands expanded, and animals migrated. Species that had survived for hundreds of thousands of years suddenly faced environments they weren't adapted to. Smaller populations became isolated, making survival even harder. Then there's the most surprising discovery of all. We didn't just replace the other humans. We had children with them. When scientists decoded ancient DNA, they found that many people alive today still carry Neanderthal genes. Some populations in Asia and Oceania also carry Denisovan DNA. That means these ancient humans didn't completely vanish. Parts of them still live inside billions of people today. So instead of one species simply defeating another, our story is also one of mixing together. But eventually, the others disappeared. The last known Neanderthals vanished around 40,000 years ago. Homo floresiensis disappeared not long after. Homo erectus had already faded away. One by one, every other human lineage came to an end, leaving just us. Or at least, that's what we think. Because every few years, archaeologists uncover new fossils that rewrite human history. Entire species have been discovered from only a handful of bones. It's possible that many more human relatives existed, lived, and disappeared without leaving enough evidence for us to find. The human family tree may still have missing branches buried beneath the ground. It's strange to think that if history had gone just a little differently, you might be sharing this planet with another kind of human. Someone who looked different, thought differently, spoke a different language, yet was still human. And perhaps the biggest mystery isn't why they disappeared. It's why we were the ones who survived. Make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.